Recording is on.
It is the 25th of March, 2021, WIKISPEED Stand-Up. Go ahead, Lauren.
It's Lawrence Salter, Gabriel Island, British Columbia. And the past week, as expected, I didn't do anything directly related. The coming week, I don't think so also. And blocks are a lot going on with family and myself. So, but nothing, I don't think anything that somebody could help with. Although I have a couple of ideas that I would discuss in Crosstalk, and that's it for me.
Okay, it is Michael Wolchuk from Saskatoon, Canada. This past week, I got the meeting video posted last week, and I got the tank level project. I'm going to say the code is complete. Well, substantially complete. It works. And then the prototype is substantially complete. It's operational. Of course, it doesn't do exactly what I want it to do, but
Wow.
It's time to document it anyway. The rest of the projects I didn't get any progress on. And next week, I'm hoping to take video of the operational tank project and the project with repeater working, which should be separate because the repeater one is a little bit more complicated. I'd also like, well, that's realistically all I'm going to get done. Blocks, none to report. I guess back to you.
So I'll give myself a 3, the team a 8, and I don't have a process improvement.
Okay, I'm going to give myself, well, I wouldn't normally give myself a 10, but I completed 4 points, and that was what I said I would do, so I guess I have to give myself a 10 out of 10, but it doesn't feel like a 10 out of 10. Team 7, and I don't have a process improvement. So you want to do crosstalk recorded?
Let's after recording, but I did want to say I'm revising my team up to 10. So,
okay.
Okay, and now I'm ready to end the recording. And I'm just gonna drop off and mute for
Couple seconds, sure. And we'll just stop recording.